Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the benefit of choosing no upfront payment for AWS Saving Plans? Ability to change plan type. Faster resource provisioning. Lower initial cost. Higher overall discount. The no upfront option for AWS Saving Plans allows you to start saving without any initial payment, making it easier to manage cash flow despite lower overall savings. What distinguishes AWS Lambda functions in terms of saving plans? They are part of Compute Saving Plans. They use EC2 instance saving plans. They have their own saving plan. They are not covered by any saving plan. AWS Lambda functions are not covered by any saving plan. They have their own pricing model based on executions and duration. Which AWS cost management tool helps you choose the right saving plan? AWS Budgets. AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost and Usage Report. AWS Trusted Advisor. AWS Cost Explorer provides recommendations to help you choose the right saving plan based on your historical usage patterns and projected needs. What happens to your AWS saving plan if you don't use all committed resources? The plan automatically downgrades. You receive credit for future use. You still pay for the committed amount. Unused commitments roll over. With AWS Saving Plans, you pay for your committed amount whether you use it all or not. There's no rollover or credit for unused commitments. Which AWS service is specifically covered by its own saving plan? Amazon SageMaker. Amazon Comprehend. Amazon Recognition. AWS Glue. AWS offers a specific saving plan for Amazon SageMaker, providing discounts on SageMaker instance usage for machine learning workloads. Which AWS saving plan is best for workloads that may shift between regions? EC2 Instance Saving Plans. Lambda Saving Plans. SageMaker Saving Plans. Compute Saving Plans. Compute saving plans are ideal for workloads that may shift between regions, as they apply across all AWS regions, providing maximum flexibility. How long is the shortest commitment period for AWS saving plans? 18 months. 6 months. 2 years. 1 year. AWS offers flexibility with commitment terms, allowing customers to choose between 1 year and 3-year saving plans. Which AWS saving plan offers discounts on ML inference workloads? Compute Saving Plans. Lambda Saving Plans. EC2 Instance Saving Plans. SageMaker Saving Plans. SageMaker saving plans are designed to provide discounts on machine learning workloads, including both training and inference on SageMaker instances. In AWS, which cost management feature suggests when to modify saving plans? AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Trusted Advisor. Amazon CloudWatch. AWS Systems Manager. AWS Cost Explorer not only helps you choose saving plans but also suggests when to modify them based on changing usage patterns. What tool does AWS provide to estimate saving plan break-even point? AWS Pricing Calculator. AWS Well-Architected Tool. AWS Total Cost of Ownership Calculator. AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer offers features to estimate when your saving plan will break even, helping you understand the long-term cost benefits. What happens if AWS introduces a new service during your saving plan term? Your plan automatically covers it. You must upgrade to include it. It may be added to eligible services. It's never added to current plans. If AWS introduces a new service, it may be added to the list of compute saving plan eligible services, but this is at AWS's discretion. What is a key benefit of choosing all upfront payment for AWS saving plans? Coverage of more services. More flexible terms. Ability to pause the plan. Greatest overall discount. Choosing all upfront payment for AWS saving plans provides the greatest overall discount, as you're committing all costs upfront. What is not a valid strategy for unused AWS saving plan commitment? Modifying instance types. Allowing expiration. Running additional workloads. Selling to another AWS customer. You can't sell your unused saving plan commitment to another AWS customer. Instead, consider modifying workloads or running additional tasks to utilize it. What is a drawback of longer-term AWS saving plans? Less flexibility for changing needs. Lower overall discount. No option for all upfront payment. Restricted to specific regions. Longer-term AWS saving plans offer greater discounts but provide less flexibility if your compute needs change significantly over time. What is not a reason to choose no upfront saving plans in AWS? To manage cash flow. To maximize overall savings. To start saving immediately. To avoid large initial costs. Choosing no upfront saving plans is not a way to maximize overall savings. While it helps manage cash flow, all upfront plans offer the greatest total discount. Which AWS saving plan is most appropriate for sporadic, spiky workloads? Compute saving plans. No saving plan, use on-demand or spot instances. EC2 instance saving plans. SageMaker saving plans. For sporadic, spiky workloads, it's often better not to use saving plans. Instead, consider on-demand pricing for flexibility or spot instances for deeper discounts. What is the maximum term length for AWS saving plans? 3 years. 1 year. 2 years. 5 years. AWS offers saving plans with term lengths of either 1 year or 3 years, with the 3-year term being the maximum available. What is unique about networking costs in AWS saving plans? They vary by region. They are fully covered. They use a separate plan. They are not discounted. Networking costs, such as data transfer, are not discounted by AWS saving plans. They continue to be billed at standard on-demand rates. Which AWS service is not directly discountable by any saving plan? Amazon S3, Amazon EC2, Amazon SageMaker, Amazon ECS. AWS saving plans focus on compute services. Storage services like Amazon S3 are not directly discountable by any saving plan. What is a limitation of AWS SageMaker saving plans? They require upfront payment. They only apply to training jobs. They are region-specific. They don't cover other AWS ML services. SageMaker saving plans are specific to SageMaker and don't cover other AWS machine learning services like Comprehend or Recognition. What is not a factor in AWS saving plan pricing? Payment option. Data transfer costs. Instance family. Region. AWS saving plans focus on compute usage. Other costs like data transfer are not factored into saving plan pricing and are billed separately. In AWS, what happens to saving plan discounts during maintenance events? You receive additional credits. Discounts are paused. Discounts still apply. You pay on-demand rates. Even during AWS maintenance events that might affect your resources, your saving plan discounts still apply to eligible replaced instances. In AWS, which saving plan best suits a lift and shift migration? Compute saving plans. SageMaker saving plans. EC2 instance saving plans. Lambda saving plans. For a lift and shift migration where you're moving existing workloads to similar EC2 instances, EC2 instance saving plans are the best fit. In AWS saving plans, what does tenancy refer to? The AWS region used. The number of instances covered. The duration of the saving plan. Whether instances run on shared or dedicated hardware. In the context of EC2 instance saving plans, tenancy refers to whether the instances run on shared hardware or single-tenant dedicated hardware. What happens to your AWS saving plan if you close your account? The plan transfers to a new account. You are billed for remaining commitment. The plan is sold to another customer. AWS waives the remaining cost. If you close your AWS account, you are billed for the remaining commitment of your saving plan, as it's a contractual obligation. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.